Hello friends, this video we are going to look at the types of investing as well as for the trading, because most of the people they have a money but they did not have an idea how we can invest and who will manage our fund, and some of them they have an idea a little bit about the stock market but they did not know about the trading, what kind of trading is available and which kind of trading we need to adopt, okay, which is suitable for us. Okay, these kind of query will be there, so this respective video will be helpful to you. If you are having a money without knowing any knowledge, you can trade in the stock market. That is also possible. Okay, with the help of types of investing will be available. Through that you can invest in your money. Suppose if you are having a knowledge, you have a money also, and if you like to invest in a stock market, what kind of trading is available? Based on that, you can choose for respective trading option and you have to trade. Okay, these are all the things only we are going to discuss in this video. Let's see. Yeah, this is what types of investing. Okay, so what are the types is available? That is what we are looking. So the first one will be active investing. Active investing, in a sense, fund manager will manage and they can charge for a fee against their service. That is what the first thing. Okay, investor having a money but they don't have for stock market knowledge. They are thinking that I will provide money to you. You can invest in a stock market, you can manage my fund and you can provide for the profit. That means what? Capital appreciation. Okay, that is what they will say. So most of the big investor, what they will do, they don't have a time. Most of the businessmen, what they will do, they will appoint for the fund managers. They will manage their fund. Okay, they will trade their businessman's money and they will get it for some commission. That is called it as a certain portion of fee. Okay, so that is possible in terms of active investing. As you are an active investor, because earlier presentation I have given to you, what's the difference between investor as well as trader. If you're an investor, in a sense, without having any knowledge, you can trade in stock market with the help of active investing. And second one will be passive investing. So passive investor themselves passive investor themselves like to manage their fund and not depend on anyone. Okay, so someone having a money, they have a knowledge, so what they will do, they can do for trading in the stock market, they can manage their fund, they not required to give any commission to anyone else. Okay, because you have a knowledge about trading and all. So apart from brokerage fee as well as for government fees that you can pay normally if you are buy and sell. Okay, apart from that, someone is managing your fund, in a sense, you have to pay for certain portion of your profit, you have to pay as a commission. But in terms of passive investing, that's not required. Okay, because you are the one managing in your fund. And for the third one will be value investing. Investor choose to invest in already strong and established firm like blue chip companies. Okay, so value investing, in a sense, some investor, they did not know about fundamentals, they did not know about technicals. They will look only for blue chip companies, because if you are typing for blue chip companies, in a sense, it will be listed even for whatever market, US market, Indian market or UAE market, blue chip companies will be coming. That blue chip company, in a sense, what? More or less everything will be normal, the fundamentally strong. Those companies we call it as blue chip companies. Okay, so without having any knowledge about fundamental fully as well as technical fully, those people, they will look for blue chip companies. They will invest their money in by the way of long term. Okay, so that kind of investing call it as value investing. Okay, I think you understand for value investing. And for the next one will be growth investing. For growth investing, in a sense, what? More risk as growth investor look for higher return on capital. So growth investors, they will look only for the price movement. Okay, which stock will move, there should be a high volatile, there should be a price changes for frequently. They will not look for anything else, only for the price movement. Immediately if there is any news announced from the public or else for a particular company, the stock price will be goes up and goes down. Okay, this kind of volatile will be there, abnormal volatility. Okay, this abnormal volatility you will gain for a profit. So only portion of investor only invest in growth kind of investing. So if you're investing such kind of volatile market in a volatile company, in a sense, that kind of investment call it as growth investing. Okay. So normally we can see growth investing for mostly speculators will do. Okay, I already posted who is a speculator. So this kind of volatile situation, speculator will invest more in the market. And these are all the types of investing is available, okay, in which you can choose. If you're having in money, you will appoint for a fund manager and you can do for a trading and get for a profit, or else you will gain the knowledge of the stock market and you can manage your own fund or not. That's called passive investing. And from the first type, what you can do, some financial advisors will be there for exchange registered. Okay, don't give your fund to someone else. Okay, that is make sure. Some people will say you can give a money, I will manage, I will give for 20% and 10% profit. Don't believe on it. Okay, who will be authorized and approved advisory service will be provided, and they will be listed for respective regulated stock exchanges. Okay, they already getting approval even from India, in a sense. They SEBI, they will be registered under the SEBI. In from UAE, in a sense, they will be registered under the SAC. Okay, so these kind of regulated framework they already register, so that people only you need to invest. Okay, so if you're investing that person, that respective firm, you can invest and those people will manage in your fund. Or else if you know all the detail, in a sense, depends upon these three type of investing, at any one you can choose and you can invest on it. Okay, so from next one, for types of trading. I have a money, I am ready to invest, but which kind of trading I need to invest? That's very important, right? So different types of trading is available, that is day trade, future and option trading, delivery trading, swing trading, scalp trading. Okay, so the first four option, okay, most of the people will use. Okay, day, future and option, as well as for delivery trading and swing trading. Okay, in the scalp trading, it will be little rare. Okay. And let's see what is intraday and day trading. Buy and sell a stock on same day. Okay, if you're buying a stock today and you will sell it on today itself, that's called it as intraday trading and day trading. Okay, and for future and option trading, otherwise call it as derivative trading. If you're taking for in India, future and option will be available, but if you're coming to UAE, it's available for future. Option trading is not available. Okay, so whether it is future is available or option is available, either any one is available, that kind of trading, call it as derivative trading. Okay, so from this type of trading, there should be a negative is available, there should be a positive also available. So what is that derivative trading? In a sense, that contract whose value depends on the price of an underlying asset. Okay, future as well as option, these two will be one of the contract. But how they are getting value, in a sense, in a normal market, what is a share is moving, that is up or down. Based on that movement, the value will be determined in future and option. That is what given here. The underlying asset, in a sense, in a real market, how it is trading. Based on that price movement, that will affect for the future and option. Okay, that is what the underlying asset. Okay. A trader speculates on the price of these contract and tries to earn return through price movement. Normally people will say delivery trading and intraday trading, as a trader, okay, we cannot decide for the movement of the market. We cannot determine much return and all. But in the future and option market, the trader decide, they will, if they are thinking that the price will be goes up, in a sense, it is possible the price can goes up. Okay, and if the trader decide that the price we can come down, in a sense, it is also possible. If you are learning for future and option, then you could learn that all the terminologies. Okay, so if I'm having for 5 crore, I'm deciding that the market need to go up for 5%, in a sense. Based on that, I can move a market. That is what given here. A trader speculates on the price. Okay, immediately they can buy and immediately they can sell. It is also possible, and price variation is also possible if the trader can decide. Okay, and future and option trading also involve taking leverage, because you know that if you are having for 1,000, if you are having for 5,000 and 2,000, also you can trade for option market, right? From the option market, minimum 10,000 if you are keeping, in a sense, you can trade it and you can earn for 1,000. on daily basis. In India, some people, they are trading on option market. They are holding for 10,000 rupees on daily basis. They are earning for 1,000 minimum earning. I am telling. Okay, some people they will earn for more also, but minimum earning I am telling for from the option market 1,000. But risk is also that much higher. Okay, how much of risk you are taking, as a same way return also will be higher. So while you are doing for future and option trading, you should learn about day trading and delivery trading and swing trading. After that, if you're coming for option and future trading, in a sense, it's well and good. Straight away, if you're going without knowing for other terminologies and techniques, you're not even involved. Straight away, if you're going for future and option, in a sense, you will face for some losses. Okay. So everywhere, if you're going, you need some knowledge about it. And delivery trading without risk. Okay, we can say for without risk, because some of the viewers, some of the subscribers, they asked a query to me. Okay, I'm investing today, when I need to sell a share. Okay, so such kind of investor, you can take it for delivery trading, because if you're buying today, some shares will move up within a week or within a month. Some will take for 6 months, some will take for 1 year also. Okay, so if you're not bothered about your return for a minimum duration of 1 year, okay, not required for 1 year, I will wait for 2 years, in a sense, such kind of investor, call it as long-term investors, and those people can invest in delivery trading. Those people can trade for delivery trading. So what is delivery trade? In a sense, a trader or investor buy shares, hold them for their desired period. That is what desired period, in a sense, week or month or year or certain decades also, even 10 years also you can hold, no issue of it if you're taking for delivery trading. Okay, and for swing trade, a trader will take position on their desired shares usually for a weeks. Okay, swing trade, in a sense, the people eager to gain a profit, maximum of week, maximum of 2 days, maximum of 3 days, maximum of 1 month. Okay, in a few weeks they will hold and they try to sell the stock. They need to gain for a profit. So they will think that their mind should be a trader, their mind not should be a investor. So if you are a trader, then you can choose for swing trading. If you are a long-term investor, you can choose for delivery trading. You can understand the difference between these two. Only for the few weeks, this kind of investor, this kind of trader having a mind, because they need to gain a profit. So they will choose the stock, depends upon that. They will gain a profit and they will come out of a respective trade. Then they will choose for another stock. So these kind of investor, call it as swing trading. These kind of investor, they can choose for swing trading. And the next one will be scalp trading. High leverage, where a trader aims to make a small profit even with the slightest of price changes. So if there is a slight changes, even for 1% or 2% price movement will be there. If there is a hike of 2%, immediately they will sell and they will get for profit, even if it is a minimum also. So they will get it for high leverage. Leverage, normally, you can get it this leverage option from option as well as future trading also. Okay, you are having for money, but you can take a risk of 10,000 also. Okay, in terms of 10x, 5x, these kind of terms will be available. If you're option trader or future trader, you could know about the leverage, right? You should not hold money in your hand, but you can take a risk of it. Okay, this one, exchange will provide you a money, that is called it as leverage. You can take a risk of it and you can trade on it. So if there is a slight changes, 1% or 2%, they think that they will make a profit and they will come out of trade. That kind of trading, call it as scalp trading. Mostly very rare people, they will use for scalp trading also. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you. It's you have learned what kind of investing is available and what kind of trading is available. Okay, and if you're holding for 10,000, which kind of trade you need to take it. If you're holding for 5 lakh and 10 lakh, but you have a patient for a couple of months and year, in a sense, which kind of trading you need to take it. I think this video will be helpful for the beginners. Okay, before going into a market, you can decide which kind of trading you need to adopt, which kind of investing option you need to choose. Okay, I think this video helpful for each and everyone. If there is any query, you can leave a comment below. As well as from the first slide, I have mentioned for 2 picture, right? So which person name? They are Javon and India in the stock market. Okay, so just you can name below which person. Okay, for the lady name as well as for Jen name also, you can comment below. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you for watching this. Bye.